With the uptick in COVID cases in parts of Brooklyn and Queens, New York City is now ramping up compliance efforts and even threatening shutdowns to keep the virus from spreading further. CBS News' John Diaz has more on that.
People should be wearing masks all the time.
That's a message Razy Siegel of Midwood, Brooklyn wants the whole city to hear and abide by.
It's a serious problem. We have to try to avert catastrophe.
While we saw today most of her neighborhood already wearing masks to prevent the spread of COVID, the community is seeing a significant rise in cases, second only in the city to nearby Gravesend, Homecrest, Edgemere, Far Rockaway, Kew Gardens, and Borough Park also make the list of spiking cases. With the upcoming Jewish holidays, state and city leaders saying they're concerned.
We're watching this very, very carefully. I think we have a little bit of a divergence here. We see a set of communities where the positivity level is just plain too high. Some yeshivas that had to be closed, it's 4 right now already. There's a lot of work to do to make very clear that we have to arrest this problem before it gets worse and is putting people's lives in danger.
Police Commissioner Dermot Shea plans on increasing enforcement on masks and social distancing within clusters.
We'll try to get some cars out there if we can with virtual messaging too, to just spread that message about reminding people that we have to be sensible, we have to be smart here, and we have to make sure that we're taking care of each other.
There will also be regular inspections of all non-public schools. Other targeted areas include Bensonhurst, Mapleton, Garrettson Beach, Sheepshead Bay, plus Flatlands and Williamsburg, where we saw today only a few without masks, one shielding from the camera, though, possibly knowing they're in the wrong.
It's hard to maintain that policy, but it's obviously the right thing to do.
At the end of the day, it's not going to go away.
And many New Yorkers we've been speaking with are disappointed about the rise in COVID cases, saying a lot of people have been working hard to try and keep them low.
I'm very proud to be a New Yorker. I've never been more proud. We're in this together. It's very unifying, actually.
Authorities say if they don't see significant improvements by Monday in cluster locations, there will be rollbacks in reopening plans and shutdowns. From Williamsburg, Brooklyn, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.